Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how easily you can add sources to your OBS recording application. So after you install the program for your laptop and you open it, you will find yourself here in this page. And if you want to add any sources, it is obvious that you are going to select the source option. Then you're just going to click on the plus button, and here, as you can see, you will find different options. You can choose the option that you want to add. So for example, what we are seeing now is display capture. So basically OBS is going to record everything that we are going to do here in the screen, even if we change to go to open Spotify or to go back to your OBS application. So once you do that, so for example, let's say you are going to add display capture. So once you do that, you will find yourself here in this page. You are going to name that source that you want to add, and once you do that, you are going to click on OK. And then for every source that you are going to add, there is properties that you need to do. So for example, for this one, as you can see, we have three. We have the first one, capture method. So for example, from automatic we can change it to whatever that we want to do. And for the display, for example, we are going to choose this one. And for this one, I don't know, for example, for display capture, we are going to keep it like this, and then we are going to click on OK. And as you can see, our new display capture, our new source is added, and this method works for all the other sources, whatever the type is. It's just the properties may change, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.